What's up, YouTube? We back with another video. Back with another banger. As you can see, we back at the Action Muffler shop. Finna try to put these tips on, man. See if what they gonna charge me. If they can actually fit. I ordered them off Amazon, so I'm gonna see. They want the expensive fees. They were like $100-some, $112. They I'm gonna show them to y'all when we get up in there. Yeah, them just do it. Hopefully they fit right. They can just take that plastic piece off back there on the back of their joint. I be seeing people like cut, but
wow, that whole damn piece of fire.
let me find out I got a McLaren. Hey, that thing look good though. But yeah, YouTube, these are the pipes. Damn, I still forgot the name of them. Oh yeah, here's the name of them. Yanaka Motorsports. They dope. Everything I seen like a, you know what I'm saying, like a trial videos were on charges, so the shit look good. Look, this sounds good. So yeah, YouTube, today's video was gonna be about the goddamn tips getting put on the charge, but they didn't fit. I gotta send them back. Now I'm gonna get on Magnaflow and order the whole kit, just a whole exhaust kit. So currently at the gun range, finna bust that damn AR12 in, see what that motherfucker talking about, see if this bitch finna blow a nigga back off or anything like that. Over the trunk. The trunk ain't looking like this, boy. Your trunk ain't looking like this, boy. Work boots and holler tips, goddammit. Shotgun shell. So yeah, I'm gonna get back in time when we get up in that motherfucker. We gonna show y'all how this thing shoot today. Yeah, Jack. It's finna go down. So yeah, crazy as hell. 40 cal. Yeah. Go on, sit there, jump up. Take them off while we in here, nigga. That might goofy. Ain't nobody in shooting. Finna get real surgical with this bitch, Jake. Put that on out there. He said to the second line. Hey, how you do this shit? Hey, man. Motherfucker, come in, man. I got you. Put that bitch on your side. Yeah. Damn. That hoe going straight through the middle. Damn. That bitch busted. Yeah, man. The load prices, man. We fucking shit up, man. We ain't taking no day one losses, fuck nigga. Oh God.
Oh God.
Oh God. Yeah, Jack. Well, loading that thing up, that shot up, motherfucker, man. That AR12, I'm telling y'all, go get one. I'm dead serious. Hey, we ain't even shot the ARs yet. That's the crazy part about it. Nigga having fun with the Glock. Only 5 wanna go in there, John. They overpriced as fuck for these bullets too, on Jesus. You can start that, John.
Oh, fuck, I'm scared.
Woo! That boy getting surgical, Jake. That boy getting surgical. Yeah, Jake. This bitch getting hot too.
I hope I'm start shooting fire.
Rambo the bitch, man.
You can get over.
Fuck the game. That bitch tore up.
That bitch finna come apart.
Is it for that? How many would these motherfuckers?
Damn.
Hey, that's them bird shots though.
That bitch dead.
Hold on.
She's a Bahama. Yeah.
He dead now.
Turn that bitch up.
He dead now.
Turn that hoe one more time with that.
Shit. He going shot it. That boy going shot it, man. It's the gun range. Turn it up, man. Hey, but for real though, that AR12, that jump something serious. We sitting here shooting that jump. I swear to God, it's mine. Y'all don't want an issue with this jump ever to happen in life. I'm talking about ever. I'm talking about for real. This ain't no gun review shit. Shit. It's real life, goddamn. For real. Yeah, now we finna shoot them ARs, y'all. My AR. The AR12, that thing, for real. I'm talking about it's worth every dime. Yeah, Jack. It's that Ruger, big Ruger 5.56, man. For real. Here. I hope it's one in the head.
Mm-hmm.
Damn, this junk fog. Damn.
Damn.
Did you push that bitch all the way in?
Bro, I don't know what the fuck. Bro, what the fuck?
That hoe ain't in there.
I ain't shot that bitch in a long time. Little bro, turn up. I said 1 second between each shot. He gonna try to come up in this motherfucker.
This motherfucker, oh shit.
Fuck nigga said he want smoke with Terrio. I'm crazy as fuck, and you don't want no smoke with me, nigga. You don't want no smoke with me, fool. You don't, bitch.
Yeah, man. Them folk get surgical with that bitch, Jake. I'm telling y'all, they get surgical with it, Jake. Little bros.
He fucked up.
Yeah.
That nigga
That shit
gone.
hurt, Charlie.
Yeah.
That shit hurt. Hey, man, that AR12 ain't no joke. I'm telling y'all.
That ain't no hoe, no bitch.
None of this shit.
It ain't nothing.
None of this shit.
It ain't nothing. Look at my boy down there. Look at my boy. Hey, man, how the AR12 feel, man? For real. Dead man don't talk back, man. I'm dead shit.
Found the high point, y'all.
We found-
shoot that motherfucker.
We just found a high point in the trash. My brother finna shoot it for y'all. Go ahead.
Bitch.
Hold on, Trey. Jammed up. Show him how it jam up. The motherfucker backfired. That boy crazy.